This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a new discussion. In order to create new discussions with the branded template, you will need to follow a few steps. Please know that this process is similar for creating blogs, journals, and wikis. The first step is to find a branded discussion board that has already been created, such as the X.X discussion template that is within the blank templates for faculty area in your master course. In this demonstration, we will copy the X.X discussion to create a new discussion for Module 1, Lesson 1 in the course. Once you are in the blank templates for faculty area and have selected your desired content to copy, click the chevron by the item title and select Edit. You are now in the editing area for this item. Click in the text editing area, press Ctrl A for PC or Command A for Mac to select all. This will highlight all of the text and images in the editing space. Then copy using Ctrl C for PC or Command C for Mac. You are now finished working in the template area. You can click on Cancel to exit the editing space. Now you will want to navigate to the area that you wish to add your new item. In this case, Module 1, Lesson 1. Once there, use the gray toolbar to hover over Tools and select Discussion Board. You are now in the Create Link Discussion Board area. In this area, you will need to click on Create New Forum at the bottom of the page. You are now in the Create Forum area. First, name the assignment. Use the standard naming conventions already in place. For example, a discussion in Module 1, Lesson 2 will be named 1.2 Discussion. Then you will see the text editing area, and this is where you will need to paste the branding into. After clicking in the text editing area, use Ctrl V for PC or Command V for Mac to paste. You can now go ahead and edit the text to reflect the new item as you wish. After you have edited the text to your liking to reflect your post or information, you will need to copy this updated text for later. In the text editing area, again press Ctrl A for PC or Command A for Mac to select all. Then copy using Ctrl C for PC or Command C for Mac to copy. Now you can scroll down to make the forum available, add date and time restrictions, and adjust forum settings. To assign a grade and add a rubric, navigate to the grade setting in the forum settings area and select Grade Discussion Forum. Assign points possible in the Points Possible box. Add your rubric by clicking on the Add Rubric button. From here, you can select an existing rubric, create a new rubric, or create from existing. Click on the desired rubric and hit Submit. Once the rubric has been attached, you can select the Show Rubric to Students with Rubric Scores to make this visible to students. Once you have tweaked these settings to your liking, click Submit to save. Once you have created this discussion board and hit Submit, you will be taken back to the Create Link Discussion Board area. Now you will need to select the radio button for Select a Discussion Board Forum, and then select the discussion board forum that you have just created. Hit Next. You will then be taken to an editing area for Create Link Discussion Board. This will look similar to the discussion area you just created and pasted the template into. Essentially, you had created the actual forum that lives in the discussion area of the course before. Now you are creating the link in the actual module or lesson. So when you make edits to a discussion board post or information in the text editing area, you will have to change the text in both locations. So you will now click in the editing area and use Control-V for PC or Command-V for Mac to paste the updated, copied content that you had edited earlier. Scroll down to view options for making this available, tracking number of views, or restricting ability to view based on specific dates and times. Once you have tweaked these settings to your liking, click Submit to save. The item will automatically move to the very bottom of the lesson or module when you build a new discussion. To move it, use the drag and drop arrows to the left of the content area to move it up or down, or use the arrow function on the right side of the gray toolbar to reorder the content. You have successfully created a new discussion.